Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install unknown apps on your Samsung phone. So just swipe down from the top right and go to Settings. Now, depending on your model of Samsung, whatnot, you can just go to Search, and then you can type in Install Unknown Apps. So we can just go to Install or something like that, and we should be able to see the option for this under here. So here it is, Security and Privacy, Install Unknown Apps. Just tap that. Now, if you're downloading an APK or something like that, you're going to have to allow the app, you're going to have to give the app permission. So like if you're downloading through Google Chrome, just accept the permission right here, Epic Games here, and then probably Files by Google or My Files. Then you should be able to download it on your device. And you can check your downloads folder. Just go to Files or My Files or wherever. Here it is. And it should be listed on your downloads now. So Epic Games, and you should be able to start installing it now once you tap it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.